We've seen different concepts, and now I would like to show you through a simple example how those concepts are interrelated. We are a small glass factory and we have good results. Therefore, our business board asks us to produce more, and we need to find solutions to produce more or to sell more, because our business is to making profit. Of course, the obvious idea is to expand, but we are in an urban area. The city has grown. Nowadays, factories are around us, and there is no local expansion possible. Therefore, we need to enter an open project. What is the desired situation? The desired situation is to continue and to develop our profit. We need to develop ideas. After a brainstorming, several ideas were given. Amongst them, decision to buy or make. Are we going to buy the production to a competitor or to a subcontractor, to relocate or to delocate? This is a question of choice, but a choice including the stakeholder review, of course. Why do I speak about the stakeholder review at the first time? Because amongst our stakeholders there is the neighborhood. They are the neighbors. And due to that neighborhood, we had to change our initial plan, which was to expand our plant locally. Therefore, the neighborhood plays a major role in our decision making. As we are talking about the stakeholders, we need to review and we need to enter a systemic approach, because we are going to face complex and interrelated challenges. Where are we going to settle? In which environment? With which social and environmental laws? We need the systemic approach. And now, after some decision making, some SWOT analysis, we decide, for example, to delocate our activity. And therefore, we need to find a place. We need, which is still an open project, we need, when we have found a place, we will build and we will give specifications. At that time, we begin to enter the closing phase of the project. Closing phase is not the ending phase, but the phase where we are going to gain more control about our project. We will develop plans with the architects, and now that we have the plans, we are entering a closed project, because we are going to build something with plans, with a clear sequencing established, and so on. This is the closed phase of the project. So, at the beginning of our reflection, there was a lot of uncertainty. The project was completely open. We were here. There were a lot of possibilities offered to us, and we had to make a choice. We decided to have a reflection about stakeholders, laws, and so on. We were using a systemic approach. We had to deal with complexity. Many things were unknown at the same time, and therefore we were in an open system. The system was open. By the time we took decisions, we refined our plans, our ideas, our hypotheses. We came to the decision to settle at a specific place, and we gave specifications to an architect, and at that moment plans were given and the building of the plant could begin. At that moment, we have a good control. We have plans, and we can follow a systematic procedure. The architect, the contractor have their own sequencing. We are now in a closed project where little accidents may arise. Of course, they may arise, but the universe is much more known. We have more control over the situation. We are now in the closed phase of the project, and of course the closing of the project will be the launching of the plant. But what I would like to mention is that for the contractor, the project is a closed project, and for us, as we are at the beginning of the adventure, we are entering an open project.